And we're live. Welcome to day 15. We're going to talk about Blackthorn messaging today, which is all about SMS, MMS, and conversations with your customers. Today is about routing. So in our application, it is entirely self-serve. When you install, you do a account activation. You can then do phone number setup. So within the phone number setup, you'll initially have a certain number of phone numbers. I think it's 2 for new customer signups. I've went ahead and set up one here, and we're going to add additional phone numbers. Now, we do this thing with pattern. So if I wanted to have the pattern of apps, you can then create a phone number that then has apps. And to show you, I found this lovely looking old website. Maybe it's new, who knows. If you type in like the alphanumeric, it tells you converted. And you can see it's all like the 2777, right? So let's just arbitrarily like pick one of these things. Then it adds the phone number to our account. Now, within the setup, you can do call forwarding. If you want this to have incoming calls to go somewhere, you can then have an after hours response. First, you have to set up business hours so it knows like what your after hours actually are. But what we do here is for the routing. So when you go to route your messages that come in, this can go to the owner of the record the message is related to. So if it's about like a case or an opportunity or whatever, it'll go there. You can also have it go to the last person who sent the message. So that might be different from the person who owns the record. But the big thing people keep asking for is that if you want any messages from a specific phone number to go to a particular user, you can plug in that user here. But this is the big one that people are really looking for, is to have it go to a queue. So a queue is a standard Salesforce functionality. You create your queue, and then you would select your queue here and then hit save. And once it's in the queue, you can manage your queues by messaging, which will be a separate video. So I hope this has been useful, and yeah, have a good day.